Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantastic Funnels, and today I'm going to record some videos for the group tutorials. I have got some of the post regarding some help. So let's review the post first, that what kind of help they would be needing, and then we are going to see that if it is possible or not. So I'm just going to share my screen quickly and we'll be go ahead and looking into the GrooveFunnels account, that how we can able to get into this stuffs. So just give me a sec, guys. Just starting the screen share. Okay, so I'm in my GrooveFunnels account right now. First of all, let's go to the Groove community and see that what kind of problems are there. So I've got all right. So I have like I see a post from Well, and he's asking like, is it possible to share my funnel template with my students so they can also use them on their account and just edit them with their information? If yes, is there a how to tutorial? All right, so he's asking just for the tutorial, so we are creating this tutorial. So we already have the answer from Pablo. He's also a community member, so let's do a visual practical in here, that how it works. So I'm just going to Groove dashboard simply, and I'm just going to open one of my funnel in here. So we'll be going to the Groove apps, the Groove page and Groove funnel app. Inside the Groove page and Groove funnel app, then I'll be simply opening one of my any of my like site, or let's say that this terms and condition page. All right, so I'm just opening it. And in order to share this particular site, okay, I see that I do not have anything mentioned. I have just created this for the test purpose. Okay, so page 2 have the privacy policy mentioned in here. So what I'm going to do, we simply go to the settings area of a page. Then there is an option, share site. Okay, you see to the left hand side, there is an option share site. Click on it. Now you can see that the link is already enabled. What happened whenever you like, just give me a sec, delete, exit. So whenever you click on this share site option, you will see this particular pop-up in front of on your screen, where it says share links, exit and add. So first you have to click on add. When you click on add, a link will be popped up, or link will be generated to share that particular page. Okay, and then you have to click on this copy button. Now after clicking on the copy button, you can simply share this link through Messenger, through WhatsApp, through email to anyone uh, who you want to open this particular site on their Groove application, on Groove Builder. But make sure that if you are disabling this before opening the site on, before opening this page on some other's account, it won't work. So let it be like this only, okay? And just click on exit. So if you see, when I click on again, so it is still available. Just click on exit. Now what we have to do, as this is my account right now logged in. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to log out from my account. I already have it copied. What I'm going to do, like, let me paste it on a sticky note. I don't want the link to be missed. So I just pasted it here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm logged out from my account. I'm just going to log into my another account. Let me see if I have any other account in here. See any of my other account. Yeah, there is another account I have. It's a test account I have created. So I'm getting logged into my account. Okay, so it says that attention valued customer group free account plan has ended. Click the button below to see your best upgrade option. All right, so they have a they have like can ended the free account, so I think I won't be able to do that. All right, so let's do one thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to again, I need to log out from this particular app now. It's not letting me go to the affiliate area. And from the affiliate area, I can able to log out. So I'm simply going to log in into my same account. Okay. And after logging into my same account, I'll show you that what I'm doing right now. Okay. So let me enable the link area. All right. So now you see that my account is logged in. I'm back to my account. I'm again going to show you one thing in here. I'm getting into the Groove Pages area, and this was terms and condition, which I copied. All right. So I just simply need to, I'm going to my dashboard, and I simply need to paste my copied URL, whatever the URL I'm sharing, and I just need to click on enter. As soon as I click on enter, as soon as I click here, enter, it will open up the builder area directly with the same page. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, so I selected this option, sorry, share site. So with this share site, what will happen? The entire site will get shared. So now you can see when I go to the pages, home, pages, index, when I go to the page 2, you will able to see the privacy policy. See here, the same page. Now let me go back to the dashboard. Wait, save. Going back to the dashboard. Groove pages and Groove funnels. Now you can see there are two terms and condition pages. Okay. This one. Okay, two terms and condition pages, this one and this one. This was from the original one, and this is one from the one I copied. So this is how like you can do this, and now I can go and I can manage it according to my requirement. I can edit it and it won't affect my original page. Okay. I can go to the page 2 and I can do this. I can start editing it. And if I need like whatever the changes I want to make on this page, it won't going to affect my previous one. So I hope like you like this particular video. This is a very small tutorial about share site, and I hope you like it. Please hit the like button if you like it, if you're watching on the YouTube or the Facebook, and do share it with the other people who want such kind of such helps. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.